Go ahead, stand on it. Mommy, help.
You need help.
I'm gonna help.
You need help, Mom.
You do need help.
You do. You got to learn how to balance.
You want your feet up. Jackson wants us to show you? No. Wow.
Jackson, look at Daddy.
Jeez. Wow. Oh, I mean Jackson. No, I didn't.
Just give him a minute.
He always uses it.
He's trying to use your shirt.
Tie it. Pom, pom, pom. We're not going to keep that in his room.
I know.
And he put it up with it. Pom, pom.
Lucas.
You have to give him $100.
Look.
Ready?
No, nice.
Katrina's not going to be happy with you.
She's going to get me $100. She's going to get me $100.
I'm not.
Deal. If this breaks, you will have to give me your lipstick.
My lipstick.
One.
Alright, deal. We're trying to find a way to figure this out.
Yeah. How do I get on this? Wait a minute. What's that little platform thingy? Where do I just push this around?
Bye.
It's going to take a header. Right. Right into the fish tank.
Yeah. Yeah, there goes your fish. Oh, almost took the fish out. Oh, right on the foot. That almost hurt.
Pom bacon. Pom, 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 pom. Mom, this has to be a deal. If he drops that one more time, you have to give me his lipstick. Yeah.
Alright, so you're wearing that to school tomorrow. Once you gotta put your jams back on. Put your shirt back on. Your pink shirt back on.
Here's Rex Wexler.
He has his Patriot sweatshirt out.
Oh, that's what he's wearing tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
I needed the picture of sweatshirt.
No, this will not fit you.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Grab that shirt too.
Whoa!
Come on, Jax.
Hey, look at my boobies.
All right, Jax.
Sign off.
Sign off.
Cheese.
Cheese.
One day you'll learn how to ride a scooter. Maybe Alexis will show you. But you got to learn how to balance first. Alexis doesn't even know how to balance.
Jack.
Oh, there you go.